Hey, good morning, guys. This is AJ the CEO. I am here at Liberty Baptist Church to install a camera system and have it run the video down to the fellowship hall. So come along with me while we help another church to modernize their media ministry. Alright, so we're going to be installing some speakers as well and running some new equipment to the back. So that's where we're going to set up everything. That's where the new media area is going to be. The camera is going to be centralized right here, so I'm going to relocate the clock. So the good thing is the only thing that really has to be ran is I need to isolate the mic cables, run those back, and then pull down these speakers, put the new speakers up, which look smaller than those, which is good. Run those cables up and all the way to the back. That's for the sound system part. And then we're going to put the camera, make sure we isolate where we need to drill down, run the cable down to the TV, and that's what we're going to be doing. So let me set my camera up and we'll get started. All right, so everything is inside now, so it's time to start putting stuff in the place where it needs to be unpacked. Make sure all the other equipment that we didn't purchase is okay, and then trying to do a site survey up in the ceiling where cables are so we can run everything to the back. So let's kick some nice music and let's get started. There's a plug back there, so that's going to make that easy. So I was thinking about doing the camera stuff first because that's going to be easier. So let's go ahead and find a stud. So I am super tired. Got a good portion of stuff done, but ran into some issues that I need to talk with the trustees and folks here at the church. So we got the camera mounted, we got the conduit in the way. That extra cable that's hanging is for the front right speaker that I have to pull. I pulled the left, that's what's up there. I need another piece of conduit to go up there to cover that up. Here's the table that we got set up. We had some issues with some cables that are missing, as well as kind of the expectations that need some more cables to reroute all of the mics back here. Don't have enough cables to do that. Punched a hole in the wall, close that off for the cable that's going to be running downstairs to the TV, which is right there. We'll close that off and put a grommet on there, or close it off and actually put a jack on the wall. Need to explain to the church, because I gave them my suggestions. In this situation, we have a remote that can control the camera, but there's no way to see what in the world you're looking at because there's no monitor here to do that. So this is the SDI to HDMI that's downstairs. I moved up here, so the idea is blue is coming from the camera, and then this actually has a loop out. So instead of going directly into the audio to SDI, I'm going to come here, which will have HDMI out, which will go to a monitor here so you can see what the camera is doing, but then the video signal will go out into this. We add the audio in, which is right here, and then another line out is going to go down here, downstairs, where we need to get another one of these for the TV. These speakers are significantly bigger than the new ones that are in place. So these brackets, these L brackets that were up here, were actually made for this to fix those speakers, which will not work with these. So I need to let them know that they need new speaker stands to actually hold those against the wall. And then, like I said, I need to find a way to get under here, because of all these microphone jacks are being ran in the back, which need to be ran up and then all the way back here. And I need to put something in place so that they can have stuff by Sunday, because I don't know if they're going to be able to turn all of the stuff around by then. But the picture does look good. We just, in situations like this, is one of those things that when you kind of just don't know when you're stepping into this, you need to actually let somebody guide you through that. And then a lot of times, sometimes people are saying, well, you know, I think I want to do this, and I'm the type of person, I don't argue with you. I go with it, but then hopefully when their plan comes together and they see, then they're able to see some holes that may be missing that we need to patch that up. So that's what I'm going to communicate to them, and I will be back tomorrow to fix what I can, and then we'll see where we go after that. So I hope y'all like this, and we will be continuing this again. But if you like this type of content, go ahead and hit that like button, consider subscribing, and hit that bell. That way you get notified when we come out with other great videos like this to help modernize your media ministry. This is AJ, super tired, and I will see you on the next video. Later.